Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
A very warm welcome in the first module of week 6 of the course Roadmap for Patent Creation, titled Use of Patent Database for Research or Project Topic Identification. Now, we have already dedicated one module on the patent database. So, there you have seen almost 6 types of the patent databases. Now, here we are giving you idea that how you will use eSpaceNet effectively for the research topic identification or project topic identification. So, we have seen that there are various types of databases like open databases, where we have given you the example of a Google patent, right. Then you can consider WIPO as an open database, or you can just consider that under the database which is held by the World Intellectual Property Organization, but both these are freely available. Then you can just consider the paid databases. There are so many paid databases available like Derwent Innovation or Quissel or paid, or there is a Relicuram, right. And then in the past there were Delphion, Micropad, but these databases are not available. STN is available. So, there are number of paid databases available. Now, you will say that we have understood the free databases or the public databases and that paid databases, but what is the difference in between that? Free databases, as a name suggests, that open databases or free databases or public databases, as a name suggests, these are freely available in the public domain. So, by just typing the particular word in the browsing window and by the use of internet, you can easily get access to the database. Now, what about the paid databases? For paid databases, you are giving a subscription fee. Generally, that subscription fee is a yearly fee, and what we can say, the general arrangement is that you get a license for the number of licenses for that use of that particular paid database. That is one thing. So, you are paying a particular amount to get that access to that particular paid databases. That is one thing. Second is that you will say that what is the difference between that open database and a paid database? The difference is, when we are talking about paid database, there are some value additions. What are value additions then? The things which are just what we can say, the possibilities that in open database there is a collection of the available patent documents, right. In paid database, I will just give you the example of a Derwent Innovation. What exactly or how exactly it works? In Derwent Innovation, the team of Derwent Innovation, what they do, whenever the patent is that whatever the patents are available from the world, that whole group, the team, the scientists which are present there, they will read that patent carefully. We have already discussed the parts of the patent document, and in that we have said that claim is the heart of the patent. You should not believe on the abstract. Although what you see that when you are searching on some what we can say using some database, you see the option as abstract and claim, and we know already that title or abstract or claim and abstract, whatever it is there. Now, what exactly happened, that what type of value addition there? Simple example, whatever the abstract is given by the attorney for that particular invention is rewritten, and it is made such a way that a simple use of a metadata, definitely that patent will be retrieved from the patent document, that whatever the database is available. What happens if you do that using of a search strategy for retrieving that patent is a skillful job. So, you will say that okay, this searching window is available, I will put the search terms and I will get the required output. This never happens with a patent. That search strategy, defining the search strategy for retrieving the patent is the very skillful job, right. And therefore, we have already shared with you that preparing a search report is a very skillful job, and only the person who is expert in retrieving that documents from the available resources, he or she can give you the correct information about the state of the art. Although you do the search, your search may not be that perfect, but if you are using a say Derwent innovation, the possibility of retrieving the maximum relevant patents is a big there is a good possibility that you will retrieve most of the patents available in that particular domain. So, what the process is that the patent document is rewritten most of the time, and the metadata which is there, that is created in such a way that the retrieval of that patent document will be possible when you are using the Thomson innovation. But if you use a same search strategy and that a free patent database, possibility of retrieving certain patent documents is literally 0. Okay. So, you just understand this basic difference between the paid and free databases. Okay. Then the next is like a patent office databases. We have seen that in the world there are so many patent offices, and almost I say that almost every patent office have their own database, right, and they are giving you the total list of whatever the patents are, patent applications granted or published which are available and filed obviously in that particular patent office. So, you can say that when you have to look for the patent documents, you have to look into either paid databases or public databases, and these are the examples, right. Now, once you understand this thing, that is, this is the what we can say the available patent databases are there. Now, suppose you are using a free database eSpaceNet. What is the benefit of that eSpaceNet over so many available what we can say the patent databases? So, obviously, other patent databases are very useful when you are doing a freedom to operate search. Definitely that country database is vital in that case, right. Then WIPO database, it is very useful to determine the when you are doing a freedom to operate search, patent scope. These databases of the country databases are important. You have to visit these databases compulsory to give whenever you are thinking of a freedom to operate search. But otherwise, when we are thinking of a prior art search, we will suggest that okay, you can go through the eSpaceNet, right. Now, what is the benefit of eSpaceNet is that it is there is a worldwide coverage, right. So, almost all patent documents which are published in all over the world that are available on the eSpaceNet. Currently, there are 100 million plus patent documents available on the eSpaceNet, right. Now, you will say, oh, I can get Chinese patent or Korean patents. Language is important, no, here that Japanese patents, you are getting that patents also on this eSpaceNet. The only thing is that the translation of complete document may not be there, but at least you can identify the title or the okay, this kind of patent is available in what we can say it is filed in Japan, or it is filed in China, or it is filed in Korea. At least that guess you can make by using the eSpaceNet database. Otherwise, they are providing you the machine translated claims, they are making it available in most of the cases, right. So, the second important thing is that is the 100 million patent data, the documents are available, right. Then this collection is since the 1836, that collection is from that time. Then advanced specific search option, if you see the that search window which is made available, it is very user friendly, it is very user friendly. You just compare it with other patent databases, you will appreciate that how user friendly the eSpaceNet database is there, right. Also patent scope is very user friendly. In patent scope also you can do easy search. Okay. Then the improvised classification like CPC that is considered in the eSpaceNet along with IPC, that CPC is also given the what we can say that it is considered there. Then there is a that smart, advanced and a classification searches. So, you can see a 3 levels as a smart, advanced and classification searches. So, because of this characteristics, that is a worldwide coverage, 100 million patent databases are available, patent documents are available. Then the collection is since 1836, then the advanced search options, availability of improved classification, that is a CPC also, and the 3 kinds of searches like a smart, advanced and classification. So, all these things are what we can say provided by a eSpaceNet. So, we suggest that when you are thinking of identification of topic for a research or for the your project, you can effectively use eSpaceNet, which is a freely available. Okay. Now, the eSpaceNet, when we think, we will just see now the what is a smart search. So, see this window, that is when you click on the eSpaceNet in the browsing window, the eSpaceNet site will be open, and then now you can see here that here you can see the smart search, then there is a advanced search and there is a classification search. So, on this side you can see smart search, advanced search and classification search. Okay. And then you can see here, okay, this is a eSpaceNet, patent search is there. Then here you can see that okay, search, under search option you are seeing this 3 things, smart search, advanced search and classification search. Then what you can see here that okay, you have selected say smart search. So, you have selected smart search and then in the window suppose you write down in the inverted commas this LED lamp. Okay. So, what you have done? You have opened that eSpaceNet and then you have selected the search option. After selecting that search option, you have received 3 options, that is a smart search, advanced search and classification search. And now, in the window after selecting that smart search, you have typed this LED lamp. Okay. So, this is the first step you have done. Okay. So, what you have done in the earlier window, you have clicked on the that smart search and then you have retrieved, you have typed LED lamp and you have retrieved. See, you can see more than, now you can see more than 1000 results you have received, which are talking about a LED lamp. Okay. Now, you can see here for example, that anti-fogging automobile LED lamp, that is a first patent, right. Second, you can see combined electronic fan force radiating type of a LED lamp. Okay. So, you get the results like for a simple search, that is a LED lamp, you have now received 10,000 plus documents. Now, what the thing will happen, you will get little bit 10,000 plus patent documents. Now, here only first 500 results are displayed, right. And now, you have to, what you have to do now, if this kind of result come, you have to use a refine search option. If you use this refine search option, now you can go on refining the search, so that this LED lamp, wherever you want to use this LED lamp, then what you can, so that in which area you want to use that LED lamp, you can go further and you can search in that area, right. So, you can use that refine search option and you can do the search. Okay. So, what you have done? You have reached to that search thing, then you have selected this smart search, then the window came, you have written the word LED lamp, and once that you have written, you have clicked on that thing and then this window came, and now once this window open, you can check out that okay, you have received more than 10,000 results which are talking about the LED lamp, and there are number of documents. Now, you have the option that you can export that thing, the result, you can download the covers also, and whatever you want to do with this data, you can do the analysis based on your need. Okay. And if you want to, obviously 10,000 plus results are there. So, you have to refine your search. So, you have to refine by giving more keywords, and then you have to get the required or whatever your focused area is there. According to that, you have to select the patent documents. So, this is the what we can say smart search LED lamp result. Okay. Now, the next is, now here what you have to do is that okay. So, next window. Now, this next window is talking about the that claim part, right. Now, you can see the claims. Okay. So, suppose you have clicked on the one of the patent document, right. So, here you have taken this light emitting diode LED lighting device or lamp with a configurable light qualities, right. The patent number is US patent 2019037661 and it is a A1. Now, we know what is that A1 is. What is that? It is in a application stage, right. And now, you can see on this side, right. Here you can see on this side as what information is given. This is the patent number. Along with that, you get a bibliographic data, next description, next claims, next mosaics, then original document. Now, we have clicked on this cited document. So, that window is open, right. Then what are the citing documents are there, then in paddock legal status and then in paddock patent family. Now, I just give you what is the meaning of patent family is. Patent family, the meaning is that we have already said that when we are talking about a patent, you are filing that patent in more than one countries, right. So, if you are filing the patent in more than one countries, that whole what we can say the patent documents that will form the patent family, right. So, this is what the patent family is. Now, what is the legal status? What happened? What is at what stage that particular patent document is there? That you can check by clicking on this option, that is a legal status. Okay. So, this is what the window which comes, and you can see here the original claims and then the claim tree. What is the meaning of that? Original claims, that is, see here that one first claim is shown here. What it says? That which is claim 1. What is claim? An LED lighting device or LED lamp comprising, right. We know how the words are used, comprising. Then you have seen there is a semicolon and then it says one or more LED packages. Again the what we can say semicolon, here the colon is there, here the semicolon is there, and an indicator for a fixed operating mode and a configurable operating mode, semicolon, and wherein when the indicator is in the fixed operating mode and responsive to receiving an indication of user input for selecting user selected operating, and then you can read. Now, then again it says add and then it continues. So, you can read, you can go and read the claim part. Now, what is a claim tree is there? Actually, when you click on this claim tree, you can see that how exactly the claims, independent and dependent claims are there. So, you can what you can do that you can just see how the dependent and independent claims are organized. So, this is what the claim tree is there. So, we will just revise this thing, what it shows: claims, original view, what it shows, this is the patent number, right, this is the title, then these are the claims, right. Then you can say that here the information is given, what that information is given, that bibliographic data, description, claims, mosaics, original document, then that cited document, citing document, right, then in paddock legal status, in paddock patent family, right. Now, next what you are getting? You are getting the information about the what are the claims for that cited document, and then you are getting the information as a claim stream. Now, one more thing what we can say we should consider here, you should understand here that we were talking about the original document, right. Now, here there are two options, that is cited document and citing documents, right. These two things are the part of your original document. Okay. So, this page is. So, we have seen that claims, that original view and a claim tree view, and how exactly the what we can say the different options are there available on the one side, one corner of that window. And then you have seen that what is a claim tree, that is a independent and dependent claim. You can just click on that claim tree and you can see that how they are organized, and we have read that the claim, right. So, this is what the claims, we have seen the how the claims are actually displayed in the eSpaceNet. Okay. So, moving further, now we will see that how the cited document, that is a backward citation. Now, here I wish to know, I wish to what we can say explain you that what is a backward citation and what is a forward citation. There are two types of citations in the patent document. When we are talking about a backward citation, it is like a prior art, right. So, whatever patents which are available in that domain, that may be present in the that particular background which is drafted when the patent is drafted, at that time that may be included into the patent document. The other thing is that if it is not there, maybe in Google also, if you see the Google patent, you can see a list of backward citations. So, you can just see that okay, which are the different patents which are referred in that particular document, right, under consideration. So, if you are referring document X, then this X document refers suppose 10 what we can say patents, then all these patents which are there, that is referred in that X document, this is the backward what we can say the citation is. And this is a X document, and if you are what we can say that your patent document is referred by the say 10 next patent documents. So, what will happen, that will be the forward citation. So, your contact or base point is this point where your patent is there, that is patent X. This patent X refers the 10 patents which are earlier already present in the public domain, that is what the prior art is, that is called as a backward citation, and your patent is further referred when you have published that, it is referred by suppose 10 different patents, then that will be the forward citation. So, I guess you understood the what is the meaning of a backward citation and what is a forward citation is. Okay. So, we will see now the what is there in this, that is in this patent document. eSpace gives you the how the backward what we can say the citation is shown there. So, let us see that backward citation. So, here we have seen that there is a bibliographic data, description, claims, all these things you have seen now, right. Now, it is written that a cited document. These cited documents are for which patent? Say this is the patent number, that is a EP, that is a European patent, what we can say, it is the filed in the European Patent Office 1600366, this is the patent document. You can see this same number here because the results are for this. You can see the same number here, you can see the same number here, right. And what it says? It says 4 documents are cited for this particular patent, right. So, what are these four documents are there? Here you can see the 2 documents on the screen, that is these 2 documents are there for this particular patent. So, you can easily see that which are the cited documents for this particular document, right. Now, what we can say, this is what the backward citation is. Okay. Now, we will move further, and in the next what we can say next thing, we will see the forward citation. Now, in the forward citation, I have already explained you what is the forward citations, right. So, now just check this screen. Okay, you have this cited document we have seen, that is a backward citation, and now we are seeing a citing documents, right. Now, here only one document is there and that is mentioned here in this screen, right. So, for this particular patent we can say that there are total 4 cited document, backward citation is there and there is a 1 forward citation is there, right. So, this is what the forward citation and the backward citation is there. Okay. Now, moving further, we will now see, we have seen this is a smart search, right. In the smart search we have put the word in that particular window and then that result is displayed, and then what the thing happen, you have seen the various what we can say the available titles are there on the screen, and accordingly you have seen the details of that particular patent. We have also seen what is a patent family is there, what is a in paddock patent status is there, that is a legal status is there, that of particular patent, and we have also seen that what is a backward citation and what is a forward citation. These are the very important terminologies which are used. So, what you are doing, you are thinking of this use of a eSpaceNet for a project topic identification. So, what you have done, you have a broad idea that okay, you are working on a particular topic. It is in your mind and you have just written down the keywords or whatever the related terms you want to see in the eSpaceNet, you have written that term, you have put in the quick search and then you have received the result, right. So, we have taken the example of LED lamp and we have explained it with that example, right. You can use this thing for own your search, right. You can do this for your search, you can do that thing. So, this is what the smart search is. Now, the next is a advanced search, that is a second search. Now, this is very important that that advanced search gives you the various what we can say the window which gives you a various drop down menu or various parameters are given to you and you can use that effectively. So, let us check that advanced search. So, here what you can see on the screen is advanced search window, right. Below it is exactly the smart search, right, that window is displayed. Now, here you can see the various what we can say the options for you. Which are these options? You can use the title, you can use that particular keyword to search in the title option. The other option given to you is a title and abstract. Next option given to you is a publication number. So, you can do the, if you are completely, this is generally useful when you are clearly know the publication number, then at that time you can use this option, that is a publication number. Directly you can use that thing and what we can say that a particular patent will be retrieved. The next is a application number and next is a priority number. Now, you know what is that priority number is, what is a publication number is and what is that the what application number is, you know clearly what these things are, right. Then the next is like a publication date, if you are aware of that publication date you can use that thing. Then applicant, the inventor. So, if you know who is the applicant or who is the inventor, you can use this thing directly here and you can retrieve the patent. Then CPC is there and IPC is there, right. So, when we are talking about, so when we are thinking of, so just check out that when we are aware about okay what is the keyword, what then you can just decide whether you want to put it in the title or you want to put it in the title and abstract, that is your wish. Then you can see that okay, if you want to directly retrieve that particular document, you have an option, that is application number or a publication number or priority number. Now, you know the definitions of all these things, or you know what is a priority number, what is a application number. You can just put that thing and you can retrieve the document directly. Then you have an option, that is a inventor and assignee, right. So, for example, how you can use effectively, you are thinking about a topic for your research. Now, I just give you the simple example how effectively you can use this thing. Suppose you are working on that domain and you have retrieved the research publications and you know who is the author of that research publication. Okay. Please listen carefully. What you are doing? You are using this very effectively to retrieve the patent How you can use it? You have already working on particular domain, you have retrieved the research publication. Okay. You know the author. Now you want to know whether the same author have filed patent. What you can do? You can use the name of author and you can put it in the inventor window, and then you can check whether this author of that research paper have filed patent or not. So, you can directly relate, and then you just retrieve, if you retrieve the patent, if that inventor, that research paper author have filed patent, then definitely you will get the patent document. Now, you just compare that research publication, whatever is there in your hand, and you just see the patent document. You just compare the data or the knowledge which is shared through these two documents, and then you can weight the documents, and you will realize that yes, really as already we have mentioned that 70% data is whatever mentioned in the patent document you will not get anywhere. So, probably you will get 70% more knowledge than that research publication with this patent document, right, and you can get the more ideas related to that particular area in which you are working by using this particular thing. The second thing also you can do is the same thing, that is a instead of inventor, if you know that okay, this company is working on this project, let me check if that company has filed any patent related to that. If you have something in your mind, you know something like that, then you can directly put the name of the assignee there and you can try to retrieve the patent documents related to that particular assignee. So, in this way you can use effectively this window. Okay. So, this is about the advanced searches. Similarly, you can use that IPC and CPC effectively, right. We have one what we can say dedicated module on IPC. So, you can just when we go through that, at that time you will appreciate how that IPC can be effectively used in the advanced search. So, you can see this window advanced search, it is what we can say the most what we can say powerful in that three, that smart search, advanced search and the classification search is there. Mostly you will use this advanced search, you will find this very useful when you are doing the eSpaceNet search. Okay. So, this is the what we can say advanced searches. Now, we will see the fields in the advanced search, right. We have already you have already seen that what are the fields in the advanced search. We will just list down what these are. These are title, then there is a title or abstract, then there is a publication number, then there is a application number, then priority number, publication date, and then name of the what we can say the organization, and then that will include the applicants and inventors, and it will also contain the classification, right. So, these are the different fields. So, you can see what different options are provided by eSpaceNet to you to search the particular or to retrieve the particular patent document from that 100 million patent documents which are hosted on the eSpaceNet. So, this is what the fields, and what is this these are the different fields which are present in the advanced search, right. Okay. So, you have seen how that Boolean means of that wildcards can be used effectively. So, there are total 10 what we can say search terms which you can use with this what we can say along with this different operators which are present. Okay. So, this is what the use of a advanced search is, right. Now, if you want to go further in more details, there is a guide available, the link is provided here. You can just use that and you can visit that document and you can use this effectively. Okay. Fine. Now, the next is that is a classification search. So, we have seen quick search, then advanced search and now the classification search. So, here in the classification search, when you click on that, this window opens. Okay. Now, we will see what exactly is present or what are the different things which are available when you open this window. So, let us see classification search. Okay. So, here you can observe that there are symbols written, right. What these symbols are? Right, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and Y. Now, what these symbols are? These are nothing but the sections which are present in the patent classification. When you will see the details of patent classifications which we have planned in one of the module, we will cover that thing. Then here what you can do that you will appreciate or you will come to know that okay, what the details of IPC is there, but here you just understand that classification search is one of the option provided, and you just see what that A is for human necessities, B is for performing operations or transporting, C is for chemistry or metallurgy, D is for textile and paper, and then you can just go and read this thing. So, you can use this effectively. So, how you can use this effectively? Okay. So, suppose you are working in a chemistry domain. Okay. So, what you can do in the classification search, you are focusing on the C, that is a chemistry, that is a chemical document, right. So, how you are using classification search effectively? So, when you are using that classification search, what you are doing is that you are whatever the particular domain is there, you are focusing on that particular domain, and based on that you are now further what we can say, go further and refine your search. Now, how you can go and further refine your search? So, you have selected the classification, suppose some A or B or C, whatever it may be. You can click on that classification and then you can move further and you can see what details are there. So, you can see the screen, and then in the screen you can see that okay, that further how the classification is offered by the what the different points are there under that particular section. So, this is what the classification, just check this screen. Okay. So, here you can see this is something like a H01, right. We will see what that H01 is. You can see here this note down, these sections are given here. You have selected this H part, and under H part now you have given the options, and against each option there is something written. So, for example, if you say H01, say it says that electric discharge tubes or discharge lamps, right, and then the details of that are provided there. Okay. So, if you see this window, you can appreciate that how minutely the classification is provided, right, and then you can use that classification effectively to focus on that particular the domain which you are interested, right. Now, this comparative patent classification, when we are talking this comparative patent classification, you can see the hierarchy is in this way, right. So, here this hierarchy shows that section is there, then the further classification as a class, subclass is there, then group is there, right. So, you can see the that what we can say that hierarchy is there, you can just watch this hierarchy. Okay. So, this is the CPC and hierarchy is there. Now, the next, that is a use of a patent database, you have seen this much. Now, what I will suggest that you just we have gone enough through the what we can say the technical things, that smart search, advanced search and classification search. You have seen very clearly that how exactly the smart search, only one what we can say search term you have provided, and then you can move further and refine that. In advanced search, you can select the particular field and that you can just refine that search further into that field. If you think of a classification search, you are concentrating on that classification and then you are moving further in the detail and you are refining that thing, right. So, this way you are effectively using the eSpace net according to your wish. Now, please watch this video, an interesting video related to database, and you will appreciate what exactly presented in that video. Please watch.
Derwent Innovations Index is a database of international patent literature that combines the Derwent World Patents Index, Patent Citation Index, and the Derwent Chemistry Resource. It contains over 23 million basic inventions and 51 million patents. These patents come from over 40 international patent issuing authorities and date back to 1963. The database is divided into 3 general sections: chemical, engineering, and electrical and electronic. For PCT, US, European, German, British, or Japanese patents from 1973 forward, the patent record will also display patents and articles cited by the inventor and examiner. This information can be useful for novelty searches and monitoring patent infringements. DII can be used to address a number of questions or tasks. Search the data to determine international patent protection for an invention. Avoid or watch for patent infringement. Research an area of technology and determine gaps in the marketplace where your organization might benefit. Or simply find English language equivalents for a patent that is originally in another language. Patents are by nature very technical documents that can be difficult to read and condense into only the most important information. Derwent indexers add valuable information to the basic patent record, helping you quickly see what is most important. They provide a descriptive title that describes the novelty of the invention, an English language abstract that discusses the novelty and claims of the invention. Applications for the same invention from around the world are grouped into a patent family. And Derwent class and manual codes help classify patents into specific technology areas, allowing for fast retrieval of a segment of patents. For each Derwent record, you'll find patent numbers for all members of this patent family representing this invention. You can view the original abstracts for these family members by clicking the Show Equivalent Abstracts button. The title and abstract provided in the full record for this invention are the Derwent title and abstract. These are written by indexers and are designed to be descriptive and highlight the novelty of an invention. Above the abstract, you'll see information about what patents and articles were cited by the inventor and the patent examiners. You'll also be able to view more recent patents which have cited this one. Click on the hyperlinks to see the cited and citing patents and articles. International patent classification, Derwent class codes, and Derwent manual codes all help classify this patent into a particular segment of technology. These codes are hyperlinked, allowing for a one-click search to find other patents from the same area. The codes are explained in some detail in the search aids available on the General Search page. Additional information found in the Derwent record includes patent and application details, the designated states where protection has been sought for the patent, and the field of search, meaning the areas of technology that the patent examiner searched to ensure the novelty of the patent. If you subscribe to the Derwent chemistry resource, you'll also be able to link to compound records for the chemical substances associated with the patent. This is an example of a compound record. Chemical structures are shown along with the compound's preferred name and synonyms, as well as molecular formulas and weight. The structure is assigned identifying numbers within Derwent data to aid in quick retrieval. Compounds are searchable through the Compound Search interface in DII.
So, hope you have enjoyed this video. Then you have understood that how exactly the patent database is used. Now, one more thing, we have to do one exercise here. So, what is that exercise is there? Now, next 3 weeks we are concentrating on the complete research project planning, right. So, here carefully you select a topic, right. So, whatever topic you are now working, just select it very carefully, because the same example now you will use for the further exercises which we are doing in next 3 weeks, okay, 6, 7 and 8. So, select single topic which is of your interest, okay, and keep it noted down in your notebook, okay, keep that activity sheet always with you, write down that topic, okay, that is the first thing you will do. The second thing, you will write down the keywords which are necessary to retrieve the patent documents related to that thing. So, please write down almost 10, 12, 15, whatever the keywords you want to do, you have to use for that particular topic, you just write down that thing. So, this is the second step, right. So, you have selected topic, you have written the keywords. Now, what you will do? You will use a eSpaceNet. So, third step, you will open the eSpaceNet window, okay, that is the third step. The fourth step, now what you will do? You will see, you will apply first the quick search. So, by using that keywords, you will put that keywords and you will do the quick search by using the search what we can say keywords which you have identified. That is a fourth thing. So, you have done the quick search. Okay. Now, with the same keywords, you will go for a advanced search, and then in the advanced search you will use effectively all the fields which are available. I have given you the example to compare the research paper and a patent. So, you will use the author of research paper and use it in the field that is the inventor, and you will retrieve the patents related to that. You will compare that thing, right. That is the fifth thing you will do. Then you do the sixth thing, and that sixth thing is that is a you will do the classification search. So, you know the domain. In the broad section, you just select which section is very near to your search, choose that thing, select that thing and move further in that section. It is like a very interesting, when you move through the classification, it is a game like thing. You will enjoy that thing, because you will appreciate that how finely this domain is divided, the technology is divided, and everything related to that technology you may not have thought also, but it may be present in the classification search. So, you will appreciate that thing. So, I repeat what exactly you are doing now. First, you are selecting the topic. Second, you are selecting the keywords. Third, after selecting the keyword, you are opening this eSpaceNet window. Then you are doing a quick search. Then you are doing a advanced search. In advanced search, you will not forget to compare research paper with a patent document. Definitely you will do that thing. And the sixth, you will do the classification search, and you will appreciate there the how the technology is divided finely into the small what we can say groups and subgroups, and how it is what we can say the how that structure is prepared, right. So, that exercise you will do, right. So, this is what the use of patent database. I guess it will be very useful to you. It will help you to direct perfectly your research project. That is the first step you will do. If you do this first step effectively, definitely you will effectively manage IP management of your research project will be very perfect. Okay? So, this is what the use of database is. Thank you.